Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, April 27th. Time is 8:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, I was watching this as I came to sit down at my computer, and a big old drop just happened. It's fairly significant, about 50, somewhere around 50 ticks. So, I'm not in this trade because I have no idea what did that. So, I'm looking now for the fundamental move of why that happened. So, looked like it is starting to correct itself, but I didn't get a print down here. And because of this, it just pushed right on through. I don't like jumping in front of that. So, but other than this, it looked like it was a fairly uneventful overnight coming in the pre-market. So, got a little bit of down pressure back in the London session. And we're approaching the oversold area now, and volume is way up there. So I'll go and research here in just a bit, see what's actually made this move, and kind of gauge the sentiment of where we're looking at for the day as well. So, but as for now, just sitting on the sidelines. So, and we'll see if we can get us a trade or two today. So. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch, and I'll be back if and when I get into a trade. Okay guys, hop this one long at 68 right here, and we're trying to get half off at 78. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up to 66 right now. 2-tick stop, and we'll see if we can get this 10 off. I might just pull it off right now at 9. Let me get everything adjusted here first, though. And stop. Alright, down back to 8. 7. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and adjust this and see if we can get it off at 76. Okay, I'm going to watch and we'll see what happens. We'll come off in one direction or the other. Alright. Okay, just got off at 76. So that is for 8 ticks. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to 1-tick stop right now. So 5 contracts long. 48.68. Stop sitting at 67 for 1-tick stop. And 70, 88 will be the next pill area if we can get up there. But I'm going to just watch for the moment. So, alright, I'll be back shortly. Alright, stopped out there at 68 for break even. So, I don't remember if I mentioned that part. I did move my stop up to break even. Let me see here. Okay, we're going to watch for just a minute. If this closes back above this deviation line, the chances are we're going to hop back long again. The 1 deviation line, as we are in oversold area. Let me see. Still based off of prints aren't reliable just yet. We'll look over here. Wow, this was crazy. Over 1,500 hitting the bid and not a single lifted offer there. Okay. Alright, let me watch and we'll see if we can get back into this trade. In one direction or the other, I'm not sure yet. Alright, be back shortly. Okay guys, we got a lot of total volume going on here. Big battle in this area. I went long 10 contracts, 48.57. Right here, look to pull half off at 67. And stop is going to be sitting at 50. So I need to get this stuff adjusted really quick. Give me just a minute. So, limit there. Stop is going to be at 50 for 7 ticks. And this is a reversal sequence setting up here on this bar as well. And stop there. Okay, long 10, just flipped. Okay, trigger area is actually 51. So we'll see if, yeah, I might have jumped the gun just a little bit on that one. We'll see though. Okay, actually it touched in there, so we may be okay. Long 10 contracts, 48.57. Stop sitting at 50 for 7 ticks right now. I look to pull half off of 67 for 10 ticks. All right, be back in just a bit. Okay, moving my stop on up to 53 for a 4 tick stop. So still trying to get half off at 60. Okay, it just came off. Half off at 67. So that leaves me 5 contracts long at 48.57. I'm going to leave my stop at 53 for the moment. And we'll see if we can peel one off at 77. If we can get a close above the 8, then I'll go ahead and move my stop up to break even. 77. Okay, let's see here. 5 contracts long, 48.57. Stop sitting at 53. 4 tick stop. Look to peel one off at 77. All right, let me watch. I'll be back. There is a vicious battle going on right here at this price level, 48.57. It's been the point of control for a little bit now, and we pushed up. Look like it's pushing back down again. Bulls are doing some serious absorption in this area, but the bears aren't letting it go much higher just yet. So we got a big long wick here, right here in this I zone, and I still think we're gonna break upward. So I did not move my stop yet. It's still sitting at 53, 1 tick below all this stuff right here. And if it does break, I would look for a push on into this box. So I'm gonna drag that up a little bit. Down into this box here for possible reversal as well. This bar is still valid, and we're just kind of moving sideways right now, just back and forth, but 57 is a strong level right now, and even looking at the market profile on my 30-minute chart, there's a lot of volume right in this area as well. So building up between 63 up to 72-ish. So we'll see what happens here, but we're gonna hang on and see if we can continue to work this long. All right, be back in a bit. All right, stopped out here. So I want to watch for a moment to kind of see what's gonna actually break, and we may look to go long again. Not sure yet. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, long 10 contracts, 48.56 over here. Stop is sitting at 50 for a 6 tick stop, 1 tick below the low right now. Look to pull half off at 66, and we'll see if we're gonna get some type of break. Yeah, the bulls are they're holding this level pretty strong. Actually, both of them are. And my thought is, oh, this looks like a divergence that's set up here as well. And let me draw this out really quick. Here. Bar there. Dang it, hell, I need to shut off my pan. Yeah, this is a divergence here. From there to, where is that? There. Alright, so we'll see if this divergence is valid or not. at this point. And we'll see if we can hold steady. It's going to turn north, I do believe. And now we're just kind of waiting for a break. This is a really long channel. And typically, CL rule says whatever the trend is, if it channels, it'll continue to leg in that direction. But I believe this is a pullback here. This is a long pullback. So we had this drop, push up, pullback, and I think it's going to want to turn north. Just looking at how this has all worked, sitting up in this I zone and this low of the day. We're currently at 106 ticks change below the high of the day, so from settlement rather. So settlement is up here. Wait a minute, 49.22. That was the okay, right here. So this is the current high going from overnight. So we'll see if we're gonna get a turn around here, being that CL's normal range is somewhere around 100 ticks on a typical day. So, all right, let me watch. I'll be back. All right, went ahead and pulled half off at 65 for 9 ticks. Stop is going to stay. Nope, I'm going to move it up a bit. I'm going to move my stop to 53. That's going to be a 3-tick stop. And let's see if we can go ahead and get this break on up here. See if I can peel one at 76. I'll go ahead and set that up now. And see if the bears are tired yet. So 176. Okay. All right, let me watch for just a minute, and we'll see. All right, be back shortly. Okay, got one off there at 76 for 20 ticks. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to break even at this point. 56. So that leaves me 4 contracts long, 48.56. Stop sitting at break even. Next pill area would be 86. I'll set that on up. And that will be for 30 ticks. So we'll see if this is a break. Let me see. Here is this right there. Okay. All right. Let me watch. Man, this took forever. All right. Stopped out here. So 20 ticks pulled out of this nonsense. So we got some kind of a break up here, but pulled back. So it's looking like everybody want to hang around 48.57 right now. So I'll see if we can get another pullback here, and we'll look to probably take it long, just depending on what kind of momentum happens in here. Or actually, I may just look around 57 again as well. So let me watch, and this will be my last trade coming into this one here. So, all right, be back shortly. Okay, got back down here to the low, and slight stall, pulled the trigger long. 10 contracts, 48.51. Look to pull all 7 of them off at 61. Stop is going to be just a 2-tick stop at 49. So let me get all this set up, and we'll see if we can actually work this long again. So yeah, don't nobody want to give up just yet. So and we're almost an hour into market open, so we'll see what happens here from this point. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, got half off there at 61. And stop is going to stay where it is at 48 or 49. No, I'm not. Moving, break even. And yeah, this is definitely the last trade. So we'll be locked in so far 40 ticks total. somewhere in that area. All right, we'll see here. Okay, 5 contracts long, 48.51. Stop sitting at break even, and see, whoop, not 5 contracts. I pulled 7 of them off. 3 contracts long, 48.51, and let me see. We'll look to peel one off at 71 if we can get back up there. And that will be a total of 50 ticks on the day. Let's see here, sell that down. And then we'll probably just let the last 2 ride. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, got stopped out here, and I said that was my last trade. I think I got one more in me though. So long 10 contracts, 48.53. Right here, stop sitting at 49. 1 tick below this area here. Look to pull 7 of them off at 63. And we'll see if we'll eventually get a break sometime before lunch. So ideally we would, but who knows. It's the markets, they play by their own rules, so we'll see here. So we're just kind of in some chops, so that's why I adjusted my 5 off to 7. Ideally I would just play the 10 tick scalps, but yeah, a little late in the game for that one now. So we'll play 7 ticks, move to break even or somewhere close to. All right, long 10 contracts, 48.53. Stop sitting at 49 for is that 4 ticks? 4 tick stop, and look to pull 7 off at 63. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, crude finally broke in one direction anyway, so I'm done. Stopped out here at 49, so managed to pull 40 ticks out of the market today, and I don't think I want to play anymore. So, all right, guys, have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow.